Hi, I'm Carol Rivet from Carol.ws, and I wanted to go over TrafficWave.net back office today. I wanted to go over my back office and send out a broadcast to my list of prospects for GDI. And as you can see right there, that's my TrafficWave back office. There's my name. Okay, so we're going to go to Campaign Manager. Let's left click on that, and we're going to scroll down. You shouldn't have all these in here. These are past different marketing systems I've tried. Power Team is the one that is just on fire and is doing really well. So you click letters, and I'm really happy that we finally got GDI and TrafficWave together. It took forever, but okay. And here's what you want to do now. To the left, you see Create New Letter, and this is the system of messages that you get when you join. If you're looking for a system that's all set up for you where you don't have to write the messages, this would be the system. But okay, now we're setting up our broadcast to send out. So you're going to create a new letter. You left click on that. And I'm going to start with blank letter. And I know a lot of places do like different colors and text and lots of images and blah, blah, blah. I found the best thing that always works for me is just plain text. Okay, now when you're writing something, if it's going to be a little lengthy, unless it's going to be a few sentences, short and sweet, then you can go ahead and knock yourself out and just start typing. But if it's going to take some time and take some thought, open up Notepad or Microsoft Word and write it down and then copy and paste it here. I only say that because I've done it a couple times where I started writing in here and I took too long. I went to click send and TrafficWave logged me out and I lost all the info of what I was writing. And oh, I was totally freaked out. So don't get freaked out. Write it down on a notepad or Microsoft Word. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to right click here and click paste. And then it's going to bring up this box. And we're going to right click again and click paste again. Now, like I said, I already had it already done and written down and copied. So now I'm going to click OK. Okay, now I'm just going to briefly look this over. This is just talking about sending out information about the GDI, the new marketing system, and how you can take it out for a test drive for free. And it goes through everything. I'm going to redo this because I want to show you how to put in a hyperlink here. I'm going to go up here and click out of that, and I'm going to go over here. Now this is what it's connecting to. This is my sign up page for GDI right here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and go back to TrafficWave. Now you see I've got this highlighted where you just drag it and then you go up here to and left click on the link and then you right click and paste your link in there, and then you don't have to worry about this because you just click out of there and it straightens it up for you, so that if there is an HTTP in this part, it takes it out and sets it up the way it should be. Now I would also click target and do target to a new window. Okay, so that when people click on this link, they will click off of this page and it'll open up a new window with your sign up so that they don't lose this email if they need to come back to it. They don't lose this message if they need to come back to it. And there's your link. Okay. Now in this I talk about the marketing system and how I was in a different marketing system that cost me almost $200 a month from ClickFunnels, from the capture pages and things that they had in Aweber that was so expensive, and my GDI, as you can see right there, is $50. And then this new marketing system that my GDI upline set up, you know, thank God, like I said, we finally put TrafficWave and GDI together. And here it's only $67.95 a month, and that's if you're a premium member. If you're an experienced marketer, then I encourage you to go for premium and get earning the bigger commissions right away is when premium members join with you. That's if you're an experienced marketer. If you're not, there's nothing wrong with going into basic and learning as you go. Okay, and that's $27.95. That's less than $30 a month. You get your full marketing system, and GDI is free for 7 days, and TrafficWave is free for 30 days. Okay, so this is the message right there, and I'm just going over the system and the commissions and that. And now I'm going to add an image because I wanted to show that, you know, I know what I'm talking about, that I do recruit. And there's an image. So I took an image and you click that, and then now I'm going to click upload because this is in my back office, or not in my back office, a file on my computer. So I'm going to click browse. I'm going to go through this. And here it is. This shows my recent commissions. Now I'm going to click send it to server. And it's just going to warn me that this has already been uploaded. Okay, and then you click OK, and it's added to your message. Okay. And that's it. And your message can have anything you want in it. Inspirational quotes, just guidance. If you're a premium member and you want to send out one of your gift certificates so somebody can get a free 30-day trial of GDI, you can do that. These messages, broadcast messages, you can send other promotions out. I just encourage you to make sure that they're good, solid, credible companies. If they're a company that's high risk, that means that they could disappear at any time, like a Bitcoin company or a mining company or something like that. Then tell them that it's a risk company. It's a high risk company. Okay. TrafficWave and GDI have been around for 20 years, so they're good, solid companies. You don't have to worry about them. The most difficult part of GDI and TrafficWave is marketing and building your downline and helping people to grow. So that's that. Now we're going to click up here because I think I got everything. Yeah, most capture pages. Here's the one that I use, have just a spot for you to put your email address in. So you don't normally put the person's name in. And then the subject, I'm going to say, take my new GDI marketing system for the test drive. Okay, and you're just going to click save letter. Yeah, I'm sorry about this. Sometimes my computer goes a little bit slow. Let me put this on pause until this. I don't know why it's doing that so long. Okay, so it's all set. It came back to the main page and it said task complete up here. So now we just scroll down and I'm going to proofread this because you want to make sure your link works. You want to make sure the message looks good too, and that it's broken up. I don't normally put this much quite in a post because a lot of people don't like to read, but for this one I wanted to put a lot of info so that they had the info on the marketing system, and that clicks through good. Okay, and then the image came through nice, and with the image my point was to show that my name is on here for referring people. Okay, then we're just going to close out. And if you want to take this and share this to another one, you can make a copy of it. You just click copy. So you don't have to go through this, all again. And then you just pick a spot. Let's say I'm going to send it to that one. I always click out. And so now this copy of this is going to go there. And then that's done. It says task complete. It's been there. Now copy to there. Now I'm going to, because I've already sent the message in a broadcast to this one and my power team. I'm going to send it to an old list here of a different list that I had started. So you click on that like that. Now instead of proofreading, you're going to click broadcast. Okay. Okay, that's the message. Now you can proofread the letter again if you want to. You don't have to if you've already went through it once, but go through that, check that, make sure that looks okay. Make sure everything is here okay. Okay, then you click out of that. Now you're going to click broadcast date. Now here you can schedule the time, the minute, whenever you want. Let's say we're going to do that for okay. 4:50 p.m. today. This is January 1st, okay? Now we want to click schedule broadcast, and it's going to go out to 156 subscribers. And you just click that, and then you hold it, or you just wait. You don't click anything else. And task complete, you're done. And then it sends it out on its own. Pretty cool, huh? Okay. And if you found this video helpful, then please click below and like the link or like the video and share it with somebody if you know that would help. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you have anything that you'd like me to do a video on, please also leave that below. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below too. Okay. In the description, you'll see carol.ws. You can click on that, and if you don't have a marketing system and you're not sure of the email messages or the capture pages or sales page, and you just want a simple system for less than $30 a month, then enter your email there and sign up for GDI. Like I said before, if you're an experienced marketer, you can go to premium and start bringing them people right away. So if you're not, just go to basic and just learn. Both members get my my resource page. So once you're signed up for the free GDI trial, you'll get my resource page sent to you in your email as a welcome email. Go over my resource page, front and back. Go through it. I have Facebook group training, advertising on how I do it. I have regular training on TrafficWave and GDI, how to set them up and get them going. It's really simple. There's text advertisements and banner advertisements and all kinds of different things for you on that resource page, and videos talking you through things. Most of the questions that everybody ever asks me are always on my resource page. Okay? Anyways, click the link below and join me today, and then look for my welcome email with my resource page in it. Okay? Guys, have a great day.